What is up, guys? In today's video we are going to do a brake flush on my truck, and in this method we are going to use one-man bleeder. And yeah, it is super easy, and let's get into it. Here are the things that you need in doing your brake flush. Of course, you will need your new brake fluid, your rag for spillage, and a syringe for a suction tool, and your one-man bleeder, 10mm spanner. And I will show you how to use this brake fluid tester. The brake fluid tester, will measure the water percentage inside master cylinder, or is mixed with brake fluid. And in my case, of course, it's very dirty. That's the reason why I'm replacing it. And at the same time, I'm going to show you brake fluid testing. It has 3% water in it, and that is not good, because you don't want any moisture or water inside your brake fluid. Now, you don't want water in your system because water boils quickly than the brake fluid. And if, for example, you're going down the hill and you feel like your pedal is spongy, one of the main reasons is you have water in the system, and yeah, you feel that sponge brake. Or of course, you have a hydraulic lines that's just deteriorating and causing it to expand. There's many reasons, but in this case we're just concentrating on the brake fluid, and yeah, don't want any water inside the system. So in this process, I'm going to quickly suck out all the old brake fluid out on the master cylinder and put some fresh fluid in before doing the brake flush. So you have to start on the furthest away from the master cylinder, which is the left rear wheel. And I got this one set up right here. This one will just go into the nipple, and then once you got that in, crack the nipple, and of course, put your airline in. I'll show you in a bit. Well, I've got it set up, just a wire holding this one, so if I let go, it's not sucking air. See right there, but if I put it here, now it's sucking air, and now it's ready on the system. I don't know if you could see it, but there's brake fluid right there passing through. And of course, you want 1 to 2 minutes on each wheel. So I'm moving to the front wheels now, and this will be my last one, the one closest to the master cylinder. Just like that, we are all done. And forgot to mention, just to take note, I was using .4, and most of the vehicles, they will put the manufacturer's specifications on the cap. In my case, it says .3. This is an old vehicle, and I just used .4 because it has a higher rating, higher boiling point rating, and it's still compatible to .3. So yeah, just one thing to watch out just check the cap first, because some vehicles may require you to have that very specific dot rating. And yeah, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is way cleaner than before. It's way lighter, and I'm very glad I've done the brake flush. Hey guys, so this concludes the video today, and yeah, it is super easy. And if you guys don't have the 1-man bleeder tool or air compressor at home, you could do a 1-man bleeder. I'll put the link in the description below. It's a DIY tool. It will just cost you 15 bucks or 20 bucks to make it. And yeah, hopefully this will help someone. And if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit that like button. At the same time, hit that subscribe button. Until next time guys, see ya.